This study investigates how surrounding landscapes affect the surface industrial heat island (SIHI) effect, proposes cooling metrics from a new landscape patch perspective, and quantifies the impact of different patch configurations on the SIHI using extreme gradient boosting regression models and Shapley additive explanations. The study finds that the coverage of impervious surfaces dominates the ambient LST pattern, while landscape patch size and width relative to industrial plant size has a pronounced impact on the LST cooling speed. Water bodies with larger relative footprints often exhibit higher cooling speeds. The study aims to provide guidelines for urban planners in assessing the local thermal environment and mitigating further urban warming.
This article was authored by Jianfeng Gao, Qingyan Meng, Linlin Zhang, and others.